If you are looking for a platform to automate tasks, boost productivity, or even make money online, you have probably come across Skywork. But is it actually worth your time in 2026? In this video, I'll break down what Skywork is, how it works, its pros and cons, and whether you should use it or not. What is Skywork? Skywork is an AI powered task and automation platform that helps users complete digital tasks faster. It's mainly used for things like content creation, data handling, automation workflows, and sometimes microtask or agent based work. Think of it as a mix between AI tools plus task automation plus productivity platform. Key features: AI task automation. Skywork lets you automate repetitive tasks like writing, organizing data, or organizing content. Number two, agent based system. It uses AI agents that can perform tasks for you with minimal input. Number three, content generation. You can create articles, scripts, or summaries quickly using built in AI tools. Number four, simple interface. The platform is beginner friendly, so you do not need technical skills to get started. Least but not the last, number five, multi use platform. It's useful for freelancers, content creators, and even small businesses. How Skywork works. Getting started is pretty simple. Sign up on the platform, choose the type of task or workflow, input your instructions, let the AI agent handle the task. In most cases, you just give a prompt and Skywork does the heavy lifting. Pros: saves a lot of time on repetitive work, easy to use even for beginners, good for content creation and automation, reduces manual effort significantly, useful for multiple use cases. Cons: output quality can vary depending on your input, may require editing after AI generates results. Some features might be blocked or logged behind a paywall, not ideal for highly complex or creative tasks. Who should use Skywork? Skywork is a good choice if you are a content creator who wants faster production, if you are a freelancer looking to automate tasks, if you are a beginner exploring AI tools, and if you are someone who wants to save time on simple work. But if you need highly accurate or advanced outputs, you might still need manual work. Final verdict. So, is Skywork worth it? Yes, if you want a simple AI tool to save time and boost productivity. No, if you want or expect perfect results without any editing. Overall, it's a solid tool for beginners and everyday tasks, but not a complete replacement for human work. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to support us with like and subscribe. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new reviews and comparisons about AI category. Let me know down below in the comments if you have used Skywork before. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review or comparison video.